Hi friends, today I will do a presentation on how stars work. Inside a star, there are two protons. The protons collide with each other and result in a nucleus of deuterium and a neutrino and a positron. The deuterium nucleus contains a proton and a neutron. The neutrino escapes out of the star in seconds. The positron encounters a nearby electron. The positron annihilates with the electron. The annihilation results in two photons of gamma rays. The gamma rays propagate from the core of the star to the surface, and in this process, the gamma rays turn into visible light, which we see from Earth. The deuterium nucleus collides with a proton and results in alphium and a photon of gamma ray. The photon escapes out of the star. The tritium nuclei collide with each other and result in a nucleus of primordial helium and two protons. The protons get away, and the primordial helium nuclei collide with each other and result in a nucleus of beryllium. The beryllium nucleus collides with the primordial helium nucleus and results in a nucleus of carbon-12 and a photon. The photon escapes out of the star. The carbon-12 nucleus collides with the primordial helium and results in a nucleus of oxygen-16 and a photon. The photon escapes out of the star. The oxygen-16 nucleus collides with the primordial helium and results in a nucleus of neon-20. The neon-20 nucleus collides with the primordial helium and results in a nucleus of magnesium-24. The oxygen-16 nucleus collides with a carbon-12 nucleus and results in a nucleus of silicon-28. Two oxygen-16 nuclei collide with each other and results in sulfur-31 and a proton. The proton escapes out of the star, and two silicon-28 nuclei collide with each other and result in a nucleus of iron-56. With a core full of iron, the star will lose the fight against gravity. The core temperature rises to over 100 billion degrees as the iron atoms are crushed together. The repulsive force between the positively charged nuclei overcomes the force of gravity, and the core recoils from the heart of the star in an explosion shock wave. In one of the most spectacular events in the universe, the shock propels the material away from the star in a tremendous explosion called a supernova. After a supernova, The core of the star collapses in on itself and turns into a neutron star or a black hole. A neutron star is a star in which gravity is so strong that protons and electrons combine into neutrons and only neutrons can exist. A black hole is a part of space in which gravity is so strong that nothing can escape once it passes its event horizon, not even light. It can take anywhere from a few thousand to a few million years for a single photon to escape a star. Photons which spend little time inside a star turn into UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays, and those which spend a long time in a star turn into infrared rays, that is heat. Those which spend a moderate time in a star turn into visible light. Thank you.